Welcome back to CoCo Finance, where we empower aspiring entrepreneurs with the insights and strategies needed to turn their business dreams into reality. Today, we're zeroing in on how to establish a standout water bottle brand, a venture that not only promotes hydration, but also champions environmental consciousness. Let's break down the steps to launching a successful water bottle business with a focus on sourcing, branding, and distribution. The journey begins with identifying a reputable water source and bottle supplier. For the water itself, seek out suppliers who offer high-quality, purified water, possibly with unique mineral profiles or other health benefits. This could involve partnering with a local spring water company or a purification plant that aligns with your brand's health and sustainability values. Conducting thorough research and visiting facilities in person can ensure the water quality meets both your standards and regulatory requirements. For the bottles, the goal is to find a manufacturer who specializes in customizable water bottles, where you can imprint your own brand logo and design. Manufacturers in regions like China, India, and Eastern Europe often provide a broad range of options from glass to various types of plastics, including eco-friendly alternatives. Websites such as Alibaba, Thomasnet, and Made in China can connect you with these manufacturers, offering both off-the-shelf and customizable options at competitive prices. When selecting your bottles, consider factors like material quality, sustainability, and design versatility to match your brand's vision. Securing a reliable supplier for both water and bottles is just the beginning. The next critical step is developing a compelling brand identity. This involves creating a logo and packaging design that resonates with your target audience, whether they are health enthusiasts, environmentally conscious consumers, or luxury water aficionados. A professional graphic designer can help translate your brand vision into a visually appealing logo and packaging that stands out on shelves and online platforms. Once your product is ready, focus on compliance and legalities by ensuring all necessary licenses and health certifications are in place. This step is crucial for building trust with your customers and ensuring smooth operations. For distribution, leverage both online and physical retail channels. Creating an engaging online store, utilizing social media for brand storytelling, and tapping into e-commerce platforms like Amazon can significantly extend your reach. Additionally, exploring wholesale opportunities by connecting with grocery stores, fitness centers, and cafes can boost your visibility and sales. Marketing your brand effectively involves telling a story that connects with your audience on an emotional level. Highlight the uniqueness of your water source, the sustainability of your bottles, and the lifestyle your brand promotes. Engaging content, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising can all play a role in building a loyal customer base. Launching your own water bottle brand is a multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning and execution. From sourcing high-quality water and customizable bottles to crafting a unique brand identity and strategizing your distribution, each step is critical to your success. Remember, in the entrepreneurial world, resilience and innovation are key. Thank you for tuning into CoCo Finance. Keep pushing forward and stay tuned for more insights on launching and growing your business.